Hello, my name is Joe Gatt, Product Specialist here at Atlas Copco. And today I'm excited to show you the newest member of our controller family, the PFS, or Power Focus Secondary. The PFS is intended to be used as a secondary controller in a multi-spindle application. It will be one of our most versatile offerings yet, accommodating tools such as QST, but also hand tools like the ST or STR. Both the PF8 and PFS controller are offered in two different variants, 1-phase and 3-phase, to meet a wide range of power requirements. So that means the 1-phase version can be used on either 110 or 220 voltage. On 110 volt, hand tools such as ST, STR, SL, and ES are all supported. While on 220 volt, QST tools are fully supported up until 350 Newton meters. Above that torque, we recommend using the 480 volt 3-phase version. It's worth mentioning too that while on standby, the PFS consumes 50% less power than the PF8, which will save on energy costs and improve sustainability. From a hardware perspective, the PF8 PFS system is very similar to the PowerMax 4000. The PF8 acts as the primary controller, containing many of the connection points and the IM for the system, while the PFS is used for each additional channel in the application. The power supply, e-stop, and internal network will be daisy-chained in a similar fashion as PowerMax was. Now let's cover a few topics behind the door of the PFS. There are torque screws on the front left side of the controller that need to be removed to access the inside. There is no IM. The IM is only needed on the PF8. The proprietary sync cables from the PF6000 are now gone, and a standard Ethernet cable can be used to network the system together through ports COM port A and COM port B. There is a new emergency stop cable to simplify daisy chaining the circuit between controllers. Simply plug the cable into the out port on the first controller to the in port on the second, and continue this process for each controller in the loop. In regards to user feedback, the PF8 HMI display updates to a fixtured mode, showing the status of each bolt individually. The PFS is also equipped with guided LEDs for operator and user feedback. Starting at the top, white will indicate that the system is powered on. Blue will light up when a tool is connected or flash when a software is upgrading, and red will show if there are any system failures and flash when emergency stop is activated. PF8, when used with the PFS, will run the same common controller software, ToolsTalk 2, as all of the other products in the Power Focus platform. In addition, the same web GUI interface you are familiar with will be available through the service port. This will help new users improve their productivity by reducing the learning curve of using a new system. The PFS will require 310 or higher software and sync process or sync critical license per channel used. Sync process will be full functionality, while sync critical will have some limitations. I hope this has been an informative overview of PFS for you. If you have any additional questions, please contact your Atlas Copco representative, and thanks for watching.